everyone, one more video for today. I got more birthday cards in the mail and I'm kind of upset right now because I think there's another one that I might not have videoed and I don't have it here, so maybe I already did put it in the video. Anyway, these are all from other Stampin' Up! Demonstrators in my Upline Dina's group or team. We have a birthday list that they go by. So this one is from someone named Sharon. They're blank on the inside and they put sticky notes in, most of them. So this card, I like this idea a lot. Now this is retired paper, but I really liked it. It was the Garden Impressions paper, and this might have been the dies that went with it. That is so cute how she did that. But I also like how she just put a strip of embossed. This is the leaves embossing folder, layered leaves I think it's called. One sec. So I don't know if you can, let me turn this light down. I don't know if that helped a little bit. There we go. And then this is the pretty label punch, and this is Berry Burst, which is retired. I think this ribbon is currently in the or some Berry Burst ribbon is currently in the clearance rack. So if you like that, it's a beautiful color. I love the Berry Burst color. I still have the ink pad right here. See? Beautiful. Love it. And good idea to use it for birthday cards. And then these are, I think, the basic pearls colored with Berry Burst and Tranquil Tide. That's Tranquil Tide. Gorgeous. I love that. So thank you to Sharon for that one. And then this one comes from Janet, is her name. And I love getting these because I'm learning to do these different techniques. I never think to emboss designer paper, and that's what she did. You can't see it very well, but this designer paper here is embossed with like the subtle embossing folder. And then this looks like the brand new, I don't know if it's the Parisian scrolly one or the scrolly one from the holiday catalog. I'm not sure because I don't have either one of those, but it's definitely like a scroll work one on Highland Heather. And then birthdays are the best days, and this is retired organza Highland Heather ribbon, which I loved from last year's mini catalog. And then she's just done thin layers of white here, and it's on thick whisper white. And I guess I can show you. It says she used the detailed trio punch up here to cut the corner. She's got another strip of this floral paper on the bottom, and it says celebrate your day. She's got little flowers there, and it just says hope you had a wonderful birthday, your Stampin' sister Janet. I won't give out last names. Thank you, Janet. And then one more, and this one I shared a room with at on stage, and her name is Beverly. Hi, Beverly. Thank you very much. And how cute is that? She's got the birthday candle in a little scalloped oval, well, in a regular oval on a scalloped oval, and it's popped up. I love this. I don't remember that in the stamp set. Today we celebrate wonderful, brilliant, fabulous you. And Beverly's birthday was yesterday, the 10th. So happy birthday, Beverly. Belated. And I'll be getting a card out to you too, because I'm on the list and I'm a little behind because I got sick. Had it in my calendar to do these and then never got them done. So this looks like maybe lovely lipstick paper, and these look like Pool Party Old Olive and lovely lipstick. I don't know which paper that is, but it's really cute. And I don't know that stamp set either, so forgive me for that. I don't have that one because I remember that. So thank you very much, ladies, for the beautiful cards, and I will try to take pictures of all of them this weekend and get them out on the team page, so you all know I got your cards. But I wanted the rest of the world to see your beautiful work too, and I love getting ideas for these cards as well, and the fun folds and things like this one is a fun fold. And thank you, Beverly and Sharon and Janet. Okay. All right, guys, that's all. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you soon again. Bye for now.